Dahinnya.
Wish I could get through to you, don't know what I do to you. Anything I say will come off as wrong and you're not alone. Something feels out of place, but you have no tell. It's like we want the same things, but the lines we've drawn are together loud. I can't sleep when you're not talking to me. Got me suffering.
So guys, this is what happened today. That's what is happening. They're installing the windows and the roof. Tomorrow we'll be putting some bodies, so you can see the grooves. Windows, and the roof is done. So that is an indication. This is the situation. Sorry for the noises. The work is going on. So I'm going. So I cannot go there because there's work still being done there. What is happening as of today? Fast police. This is installed. Bakisha tu kupakwa rangi. That's the situation right now. The windows are coming in. That's the kitchen window. It looks pretty. They are being installed today. The living room window, and that's how it looks. Very long. Pretty. Look at that, it's so beautiful. This is the gas, and it's already installed. So, and the plaster is done. It looks beautiful, right? We are about to complete this thing. With the rate it's going, tamaliza tu. So that's the situation, and I'm sorry for the noises. And you know, we cannot stop the work for us to film. No, the work has to go on. So here we have started what do we call, plastering on the outside. You can see it's coming along very beautiful. The keys, easy maki waneka. Oh, it's very pretty. And here it's very beautiful. So that's how it looks from the outside. Let me take you to the rooftop. Muone huko mabati ikiinstaliwa, how it looks. Please don't mind the noises. You know, I'm on the site. I had to come and see kwenye tumefikia. So this is the staircase. Wanatoboa hivyo. We wanted that design, and still you have to be careful while going up. It's risky. So here I'm overlooking the living room. Let's go up. I have to be careful, very careful. This is the rooftop. They're doing some plastering. There's the drainage all the way down. Here's the roof. And I wish that I could It's being completed today. Tomorrow tunaeka mabati. Tomorrow is mabati day, and that's how the mountain looks. The hill, it looks like that from here, from this side. It's pretty, right? So I'll see you tomorrow. Hoping I will be on the site. I don't know if I'll make it to come. I don't know. Ndio tuweke mabati, but I hope I'll capture something for you guys. Ndio, I told you this journey we're walking together na tutamaliza together. So bye. Remember to subscribe.